Hello, my dear beloved viewers. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I have to give the complete solutions for the remaining problems in the exercise 6C Telugu Academy. Chapter name Integration. In the previous part, I have to give the solutions up to Roman number 3, ninth question. Now, 10th question. Integral of tan inverse 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square dx. Tan inverse 3x minus tan inverse 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square. So, you see, first of all, let I is equal integral tan inverse 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square dx. Okay. We know the formula for this one. Tan inverse 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square is equal 3 tan inverse x. 3 tan inverse x. And also one thing I have to give the information. For suppose tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square is there. This is nothing but 2 tan inverse x. 2 tan inverse x. 2 tan inverse x. In the similarly, you see, suppose cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. The same gives the result. Similarly, sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. So this also gives us 2 tan inverse x. Here also this is 2 tan inverse x. So in the inverse trigonometric functions, we have to obtain these results. Here also tan inverse 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square gives us 3 tan inverse x. Now you see, therefore I is equal integral, this gives us 3 tan inverse x into dx. So here inverse function is there. To evaluate inverse function means what you have to do, simply consider the second function as unity, that is 1. Okay. Now here 3 is constant, so take out as common one. So tan inverse x into 1 dx. To evaluate integral of tan inverse x means simply you have to select the second function as 1. Now here you see f of x is equal tan inverse x. F of x is equal tan inverse x. So for the first function, what you have to do always? Derivative. Derivative means 1 by 1 plus x square. Derivative of this is nothing but 1 by 1 plus x square for tan inverse x. Next, second function. What is the second function here? 1. For second function, what you have to do? Simply integral value. Integral value. For the first function, you have to find derivative, whereas for second function, always you should find integral value. Okay. So integral of 1 dx is equal to x. Now integration by parts formula. Integral of f of x, g of x, dx is equal. So first function into integral of second function minus first function derivative into second function integral. Okay, total. This is the formula for integration by parts. So you see here, this is f of x and this is g of x. Okay, that's value is given by f of x into integral. Okay, now you see I is equal 3 into, okay, right, f of x means tan inverse x, f of x means tan inverse x into integral value, okay, into integral value x minus derivative. What is the derivative? 1 by 1 plus x square into x, okay. So here multiply of 3. So 3x tan inverse x, okay, minus 3 into, if you keenly observe this one, derivative of this one is nothing but 0, here 2x. That means under denominator derivative is nothing but 2x. So here only numerator x is there. So to obtain the same one means you have to multiply and divide by 2. So here what have to? 1 by 2 into 2x by 1 plus x square dx. Okay. Here under denominator 1 plus x square is there. So derivative of this one is nothing but 2x. But in numerator only x is there. So to obtain the same one means just what you have to do? Multiply with 2 and again we divide by 2. Okay. This is nothing but which form? F dash x. F dash x by f of x dx is equal log f of x. This is the formula. Are you clear? This is the formula. So finally, what you have to do? 3x tan inverse x minus 3 by 2 into f dash x by f of x log f of x under modulus. Okay. So this is the required integral value. Okay. So remember, whenever to evaluate inverse means just simply you should consider the second function as unity. Now according to this formula just you have to substitute the values. Okay. Now to obtain this integral value again think about this one. Okay, here the derivative is 1 and derivative of this one is 2x. Only x is there. So to obtain derivative means we have to multiply with 2 again divide by 2. Okay. So now this is the form f dash x by f of x equal log f of x. Okay. Right. Suppose the same problem in case of to find cot inverse x. Same detail. Cot inverse x into 1. Like this. Okay. Next one. You see. Next to question number 11. Integral. Question number 11. Integral sin h inverse x dx. So solution. Let I is equal integral sin h inverse x dx. So to evaluate this integral mean what you have to do? Simply for inverse or logarithm functions only single function is there, means just you have to choose the second function as 1. Okay. So simply you have to write into 1 dx. Okay. So here f of x is equal sin h inverse x. So f dash x sin h inverse x derivative of this one is 1 by root of 1 plus x square. 1 by root of 1 plus x square. Now second function g of x is equal to 1. So always for the second function what you have to do? Integral value. Okay, integral 1 dx. So integral of 1 is x. Okay, for the first function always find derivative. For the second function, always find integral value. So now by parts formula. What is the by parts formula? Integral f of x into g of x dx is equal first function into integral of second function minus integral of first function derivative into integral of second function with respect to x. Okay. So therefore, I is equal here f of x. F of x means sin h inverse x. Sin h inverse x into integral value x. Okay. Minus f dash x. Derivative of this one is nothing but 1 by 1 plus x square into integral value x. Okay. Now I should rewrite x into sin h inverse x. Sin h inverse x minus, you see here 1 plus x square, derivative of this one is nothing but 2x. Here only x is there. So what you have to do, simply 1 by 2 into 2x by root of 1 plus x square dx. Okay. So clearly this is the form f dash x by root f of x dx is equal to root fx. F dash x by f of x. F dash x by f of x gives us 2 root f of x. Previous one, f dash x by f of x means log modulus f of x. Whereas here, f dash x by root f of x gives us 2 root f of x. So finally, x into sin h inverse x minus half into 2 root 1 plus x square. 2 to cancel. So finally I is equal x into sin h inverse x minus root of 1 plus x square plus c. This is the integral value for sin h inverse x. Okay, inverse of hyperbolic function. Sin h inverse x integral value x sin h inverse x minus root of 1 plus x square. Okay, plus c. So next one, cos h inverse x. Cos h inverse x. So here cos h inverse x. Next, 12th one, cos h inverse x. 12th problem, cos h inverse x. Integral of cos h inverse x dx. Okay. So solution, let I is equal integral cos h inverse x dx. Okay. So similar one, same method. Whenever inverse function is there, means just you have to write the second function as 1 for logarithmic function also. Okay, and also some special type of algebraic functions. So here cos h inverse x into 1 dx. Okay, so here f of x is equal cos h inverse x. So f dash x is equal 1 by root of x square minus 1. Derivative of cos h inverse x is nothing but 1 by root of x square minus 1. Okay. Next, here you see second function as 1. So for the second function, what you have to do always? Integral value. So integral of 1 is equal to x. So here is the formula for integration by parts. Okay. Now you see I is equal, here this is f of x and g of x. f of x, g of x, dx. Gives us f of x. F of x means cos h inverse x. Cos h inverse x. Into integral value means x. Okay. Minus derivative of this one means x square minus 1. X square minus 1. Okay. Under root. X square minus 1. Into integral value x. Here also, if you observe that derivative of this one is nothing but 2x. Here only x is there. So, just you should multiply and divide by 2 only. Okay. So, here x into cos h inverse x. 1 by 2 into 2x by root of x square minus 1 dx. So, now x cos h inverse x minus 1 by 2 into 2 root minus 1 by 2 into 2 root. Okay, 2 get cancelled. Which formula? Same one, f dash x by root f of x dx is equal to root f of x. F dash x by root f of x dx is equal to root f of x. So the final result is I is equal x cos h inverse x minus root of x square minus 1 plus c. In the previous one, integral of sin h inverse x dx is equal x into sin h inverse x minus root of 1 plus x square or x square plus 1, whereas cos h inverse x integral value is x into cos h inverse x minus root of x square minus 1. Okay? Whenever cos h inverse x means just you have to write plus. Okay? No change this one. Okay? So, here is the 12th one. Next, 13th one, tan h inverse x. Yes, tan h inverse x. What is the derivative of tan h inverse x? Tan inverse x derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square. Tan inverse x derivative is nothing but 1 by 1 plus x square. Here tan h inverse x. What is the derivative of tan h inverse x? 1 by 1 minus x square. 1 by 1 minus x square. 1 by 1 minus x square. Okay? 1 by 1 minus x square. So, question number 13. Integral tan h inverse x dx. Okay? So, solution. Let I is equal tan h inverse x dx. So to evaluate inverse functions means just what you have to do? Second function you must consider it as unity. That is 1. Okay. That is 1. So tan h inverse x into 1 dx. Tan h inverse x into 1 dx. Now here this is the first formula and this is the second formula. What is the first function? Here what is the first function? F of x is equal tan h inverse x. So for the first function always what you have to do? Derivative. Derivative of tan h inverse x is nothing but 1 by 1 minus x square. Whereas for the second function, what you have to do? Integral value. So 1 dx. So integral of 1 is equal to x. So clearly I is nothing but f of x and g of x. You have to consider inverse as f of x and algebraic function as g of x. Now by parts formula. Integral f of x g of x dx is equal f of x into integral value of g of x dx minus integral of derivative of first function into integral of second one. Okay. So clearly I is equal So f of x means tan h inverse x into integral value x. Okay, integral value x minus derivative of this one is 1 minus x square, and this is x. Okay, you see here the derivative is nothing but 0. Here for this one minus 2x, only x is there. What you have to do? Minus 2x we have to obtain. For that one, what you have to do? Multiply with minus again, minus 2 and divide by minus 2. Just you have to multiply both numerator and denominator by minus 2 only. Okay. So, x into tan h inverse x minus here minus 1 by 2. Here minus 2x by 1 minus x square dx. Okay. Here the derivative of the denominator is minus 2x. Only x is there. So to obtain minus 2x means what you have to do? You have to multiply and divide by minus 2 only. Okay. No change this one. So clearly f dash x by f of x. F dash x by f of x. F dash x by f of x. So f dash x by f of x means log f of x. Log f of x plus c. So here is the formula: integral f dash x by f of x. Okay, integral f dash x by f of x dx is equal log f of x. Log f of x. Here is the formula. Okay. So this is the integral value of tan h inverse x. Always you should write. At the end of the problem, you should write the formula. X tan h inverse x. X tan h inverse x plus 1 by 2 into log of modulus 1 minus x square plus c. 1 minus x square plus c. Here is the derivation for tan h inverse x. So 13th. So in third Roman only 13 problems will be there. Already this is the last one. That means total exercise 6C completed. Okay. Next, some problems regarding inverse trigonometric functions. To evaluate inverse trigonometric functions, in separate video I have to give the derivations for inverse trigonometric functions. That is integral value of sin inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x, okay, cot inverse x, okay, and also secant inverse x and cosecant inverse x. Okay. Now in this video I have to continue. Already tan inverse x already given, tan inverse x already given, 3 tan inverse x in that one, tan inverse x already we have to obtain that one. So remaining sin inverse x and cos inverse x. In separate video definitely I have to give the solution for this one. Okay. So if you really like this video, please give me one like, and at the same time, if anyone not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Okay. Also, if you think it is very much useful for the others, please share it now, and also give me your heartful comments in the comment box. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much.